Hello, and welcome to Serplux. Today, we're exploring the Backlink Idea Generator AI agent, a powerful tool designed to uncover strategic backlink opportunities. To get started, simply enter the following details: the website URL you want to analyze, the niche or industry your website belongs to, a competitor's URL for comparison, and your target keyword. Once submitted, the AI begins processing, analyzing your website, its backlink profile, competitive gaps, and target keyword data. After a short wait, the tool generates a detailed report. According to the table of contents, the report includes insights across 9 key areas: content gap opportunities, competitor backlink takeover, niche domain opportunities, influencer collaborations, creative content ideas, outreach strategies, implementation priorities, link quality strategy, monitoring and optimization. As shown on the screen, all your backlink strategies and data are compiled here in one organized report. So go ahead, try the Backlink Idea Generator AI agent today and unlock smarter link building strategies only on serplux.com. Thank you for visiting Serplux.